Today we will be measuring three different joints: the metacarpal phalangeal joint, the proximal interphalangeal joint, and the distal interphalangeal joint. The first step is to make sure that our client is positioned properly. We want the client's forearm to be resting on a firm surface. We want their forearm to be resting on its ulnar border. We want the wrist to be at 0 degrees. And we want the fingers to be extended. We'll start by measuring the MCP, or metacarpal phalangeal joint. We will place the stationary arm of our goniometer on the metacarpal of whichever finger you will be measuring. We'll make sure that the axis is right over that MCP joint and that the movable arm is on the proximal phalanx. We will start in a neutral position with the finger fully extended. Then we'll ask the client to flex their finger. After the finger is flexed, we will replace our goniometer and take our measurement. A typical range of motion for this measurement is 0 to 90 degrees. The next joint will be the PIP, or proximal interphalangeal joint. We'll place the stationary arm of the goniometer over the proximal phalanx. We'll place the movable arm right over the middle phalanx. And we'll have the client start at an extended position and ask them to flex their finger. After flexing the finger, we'll reposition our goniometer, making sure that the axis is directly over that PIP joint, and place your measurement. A typical range of motion should be 0 degrees to 110 degrees. We will then focus on the distal interphalangeal joint. We'll make sure to place the stationary arm of the goniometer on the middle phalanx. We want the movable arm to be placed over the distal phalanx. We will have the client start in an extended position and have them flex their finger. After the finger is fully flexed, we'll reposition our goniometer, making sure that the axis is directly over the distal interphalangeal joint, or DIP, and place the measurement. A typical measurement for the DIP joint is 0 to 80 degrees. Thank you.